These are the UK's best wall-mounted solar lights you'll ever buy, and they don't cost a thing to run. Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the SolarCentre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Truro Solar Motion Light. Let's get into it. The Truro Solar Motion Light is our best-selling light, and you're about to find out why. This light works effortlessly without the need for mains cables or energy bills. We do also offer a version of this light with a dust sensor rather than a motion sensor. The Truro Motion Light emits 80 lumens, double the 40 lumens of the standard version, by storing energy and releasing it in short bursts when motion is detected. This light is available in two colours. We've got the brushed 201 stainless steel and the matted anthracite grey. Let's open up the box and have a look. Inside the box we have the instructions, the screws and the light. This light measures at 12.7 centimeters tall, 6.1 centimeters wide and 11.8 centimeters deep. This light is extremely easy to set up. Let me show you how. The first thing you're going to need to do is unscrew the bottom of the light to access the on-off switch. Then you need to flip the switch to the on position and re-screw the bottom of the light. You then need to take the wall bracket, which can be found in this part of the light. You're going to need to take the screws and drill this wall bracket to a wall or a fence. The light should then just slide onto the wall bracket. You can then take the remaining screws and line up the two holes to secure this light to the light fixing. Make sure you place this light in a really sunny spot so it can soak up all that energy in the day and activate the motion sensor at night. This motion sensor detects movement from up to 6 meters away within a 110-degree field, making it an ideal security light or welcome light. If you're seeking a contemporary warm white glow in your garden, the Truro Motion Light truly is the best option. If you have any questions on this product, please do leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, it makes all the difference. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.